It's here. Mailman says it's here. It's here. I won these from Christ Centered Ironworks. These are the heart-shaped J-hooks, blanks, that Roy offers on his store. Yay! Look at them. All beautifully CNC cut. Just need a little cleanup, a little rag cleanup on that one, same here. And I can start making the J-hooks. I'm going to dig that nut deeper into the wood to bring those threads much closer to the screw. Hopefully that will eliminate a lot of the wobble. Plus, at the back side of this, I want to add that board like this that connects it to the leg of the bench to almost completely eliminate all wobble. And that will also hopefully better align the face with the back so that it actually meets up at the top of the bench, whereas before it was like an inch down below, even with all the stuff that I did to try to prop it up. And now that's not going anywhere. And now it's been glued onto the screw using a high-strength epoxy. Interesting thing, you notice the difference in wood color there. That is the oil that had accumulated in the top here, slowly seeping down. So I'm going to have to really soak this thing in linseed oil again. While the wind is calm, I'll explain what I've done here. Traditionally, I would have cut a dado out of the back of the leg down there. And in fact, when I first made this bench, I mentioned that I forgot to do that. Well, there's no way that's going to happen right now. So instead of cutting a dado, I cut a very long lap joint, a very long rebate. And I have attached this to the back with a much smaller hole now so that the screw doesn't have as much play. And then I'm going to just screw it to the back of the leg to hold the face, the backing vise in place. But now I've got to take it all apart and refinish the backers, get everything oiled up and preserved. And with only a little bit less struggle, I got it in there. We still have a problem here, and that's because I cut those holes off originally off. There's solid in there now, and there's still ½ an inch of a gap. So I might have to take care of that somehow. There's the nut on the back. There's the clearance. Everything is set. And now back to our regularly scheduled programming. Now I can move forward with building my scrap wood barbecue / utility table.